Do you feel more comfortable with the offer that you have and the numbers that you have and the data that you have, that you can pay for some media and test that out and see if you can start to expand your business? Because if you get paid media right, you can scale your business extremely fast. For earned media, it's harder to scale your business systematically, consistently, to create that process system for yourself. It's more story based, so it might be a little more hit or miss, but the exposure that you get for free can last a really long time. So what I say is you mix it up. You have some of your time in your calendar, you focus on paid media. Some of your time, you focus on earned media, and whatever's starting to work the best, you put a little more effort into that. And then, once you have a good system for that, guess what you do? You hire someone to replace you and leverage that out and get them to focus on that. So then you can start to process and systemize the other side. And then very soon you're going to have people in charge of both of them. And then you can sit back and work on being the visionary, the creator, and bringing in more money for the company. Sound good? Hopefully it does.